meghalayapost.news. Liengsuin Iapom jangkari Israel henin gesngi ka arfoterik benai naitung kilalek banter bom ya ka Hodeidah port jangkari Yemen kabala sencha dan bor da kilek no Houthi kate gejinglek terbom Liengsuin Iapom ke Israel persya ya kari Yemen kade hadian bu ubay nong Israel la khlat no bat sangut kibai pat kila mensaujur hakanong ba Tel Aviv jangkari Israel na ubom bala penher da kite kilek no Houthi.
Ты видишь, дрон летит? Крестюш, ты видишь, что это такое?
Katkum ka khbor bala yo la yathu ba Lai Ngut kinong Yemen kila khlat no hakte gejing terbom Liengsuin Iapom kari Israel bat kumba prau phnyangut kila mensaujur na gejing klang jangkading ka ba ishirkhei menteri rang ba jangkari Israel Benjamin Netanyahu ulong ba kadei ka Hodeidah port kadei ke jaka penpoi tiarsiat chekile no Houthi da kari Iran ulakan tu ya kiri ke perthei bakin ai gejing kershan jaga Israel banyakun nikile no kibala baitingka da ki Iran ban pentikana bakin yo ya kanong ga bakrau.
From the beginning of the war, I made it clear that Israel will act against all those who attack us. This is why earlier today, I asked the Israeli cabinet to back my decision to strike against the Houthi targets in Yemen. The port that was targeted is not an innocent port. It's used as the entry point for weapons that are supplied by Iran to its Houthi terrorist proxies. The Houthis have used those weapons to attack Israel, to attack Arab states in the region, to attack many others. This strike comes in direct response to the killer drone attack yesterday that killed one person and injured several others 100 yards from the U.S. consulate in Tel Aviv.
Hakabai pat kabentau he sipai kile no ka Houthi uyaya sari ula berngam ban penpai kala ya ketika jingther ke Israel ya ka Hodeidah port bat benrap bagi sipai Houthi ke nam salia benter bom ya ki jaka bakongsan jaka Israel.
تؤكد القوات المسلحة اليمنية حقها الكامل في الدفاع عن اليمن العزيز ضد العدوان الأمريكي البريطاني وكذلك ضد العدوان الإسرائيلي.
meghalayapost.news